A second boulder blocked his path, this one as large as a 2-story house. He couldn't pass, and it would break the rules to fly. Breathing heavy, Elan stopped, folded his arms, and turned at the sound of laughter behind him. Cheyenne had been watching the training field from a cloud, examining Elan's moves and style. Leaving the comfortable perch, he walked toward Elan, the elegant grace of his movement belying his size. Dark braids bound with emerald beads fell past massive shoulders. Cheyenne was Elan's bonded brother and the greatest angelic warrior in all of heaven. Elan met Cheyenne's vivid jade eyes and scowled, his face as sour as the bonneberries that grew on the wall at home. "What's so funny, Cheyenne?" "You." Cheyenne patted the boulder and took a step back. "Now, break it." Elan gaped, pointing at the boulder. "I can't break that. You can't even break that." "Yes, you can. Try." Elan glared. "No more hesitation, Elan. Destroy that rock." Elan heard the command clearly in his mind. It was a gift the Ancient One gave them the day he formed their bond. Millennia had gone by since then, and still no one else knew that he and Cheyenne could communicate this way. Irritation trickled through the bond. Elan clenched his teeth. He couldn't stand disappointing Cheyenne, but there was no way he could break that rock. "Break it," Cheyenne demanded, his voice thundering through Elan's mind. Elan threw his fist at the boulder with a war cry, shrill and loud. The crack and snap of shattered bones, mingled with falling dirt, turned Elan's war cry into a howl of pain. His arm jerked to his chest, and he cradled it there. Cheyenne grimaced. "That hurts." Elan's scowl was acidic. "You think so? You break it, Cheyenne." Cheyenne looked away. Pink colored his cheeks and sparkled through his wings, a display of an intense emotion. Was that modesty? Elan cocked his head to the side, still holding his arm, bones fusing themselves back in place. "You don't really think you can break that?" Cheyenne stood up straight. Elan knew that look. Cheyenne thought to teach him a lesson. He can't possibly break the boulder, Elan thought indignantly. "I know I can." Elan flicked his head toward the rock. "Do it then." Cheyenne stepped past him, doubled his fist, and clashed with the boulder. The mountain shook beneath them, and an explosive cracking sound filled the air. Shards of rock catapulted in every direction. Elan stared, mouth open, eyebrows narrowed. He broke it. I should have known Cheyenne could break that stupid rock. How? Cheyenne's shoulder twitched. Elan repositioned his legs and flung long, flaxen hair out of his face. If he shrugs, I'll hit him. I sometimes wonder if you ever paid attention in class when we were Maldini, Elan. This is elementary. You steel your faith and build power before you strike. Sometimes I wonder how you have survived so long. Elan's lips parted. He was in no mood for a lecture today. An argument burned on his tongue. He listened to all the lessons when he was a Maldini. He just didn't think an angel child would ever need them. Cheyenne's wings fluttered and glowed. Sparkles of red moved through white feathers, distracting Elan from his thoughts. Only one other commanded a response like that from Cheyenne. Elan turned around to greet Velina. Velina was Cheyenne's promised, and soon to be his covenant bride. She stood shorter than Cheyenne, with dark hair that flowed to her waist. She held it away from her face by a leather thong. Her eyes were green, softer than Cheyenne's jade, resembling the grasses of spring. She closed them, and her wings turned crimson when Cheyenne embraced her.